welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, karibu sana. For the continuous subscribers, keep subscribing and watching my videos. So today I wanted to try Chinese rice, and here are the ingredients. So here we have some onions, fully chopped and diced. Let me show you. I have the normal onion and the spring onions. Down here, my hands are clean, so don't crucify me. The spring onions, and here are the top branches of the spring onion. We have red and yellow bell pepper. I've mixed them in one bowl like this. We have dark soy sauce. We need some cooking oil, and lastly we have some chicken. I've put this chicken in this wok, cooked it. It's boneless chicken, cooked it in a little bit of oil, then added a little salt to taste. And we have our rice over here. Here is our rice, the ones which we'll be using to mix. So firstly, we're going to use the same pan to cook the Chinese rice. I'm going to empty this to a clean bowl or dish, then use the same pan to do the rest. I'm going to set it aside. Then I'm gonna put this pan onto the fire. Add some oil to it. I'm going to add oil. A good amount of oil. I'm adding more oil. Then the oil is hot. I'm gonna add my onions. I want the onions to be translucent and not crispy and brown. Then I'm going to stir. I feel that my oil is not enough. I'm going to add more. I'm gonna keep stirring on this. My onions are nearing translucent. I'm going to add the rest of the leftover onion stock. I love the blend of the colors of the onion. Almost there, guys. My onions have become translucent, so I'm going to add the bell peppers. If you want, you can add the green one, but I'm not a fan of the green bell peppers. I like these ones better. So I'm going to cook them for around 2 minutes until they become slightly soft. To make sure nothing sticks, and it's usually under medium to high heat. All done. I'm going to add in my chicken. Stir in everything. In case you find the oil is not enough, you can keep adding. I need the oil to coat every piece of rice, so that's why I'm adding more oil. And keep stirring. Look at the color, guys. Almost there. If everything is well mixed, now I'm going to add in my rice. Add it into small chunks and make sure you crush it. Prepare a portion where you guys will be able to finish the portion at one sitting, because as you warm them, the bell peppers tend to soften. I'm cooking a lot, so that's why you can see I'm adding more rice. From there now, add in your soy sauce. Be generous with the soy sauce because you need the rice to change color. Then mix up together. Make sure every portion is well mixed. If you find that the soy sauce is not enough, you keep adding more. They are cooked not a lot. I have some visitors coming over, so I needed a larger portion. Incorporate everything. You might reduce your fire here to low to ensure nothing sticks on the pan as you keep stirring on the rice. You see the importance of having the rice broken into small grains. It's because of this stage of mixing. You have to be patient in this stage because you don't want to be left with a lot of white rice. With a smaller spoon. At this stage you might taste to see if it has enough salt. Can taste. Let me see if it has enough salt. Don't put a lot of salt because soy sauce has a high percent of salt. So if you add more salt, your food may be bitter. So guys, I've thought of the color. I want it to be a bit green, so I'm going to get some coriander, then incorporate it into my rice. I'll show you how it looks like when I'm done sorting out the coriander. I'm going to add in these coriander leaves and stalks. I figure the food needs some green meat, so I'm going to add the coriander. Then mix it up again. Ensure you do it slowly, not to spill, as well not to make the rice mushy as per se. So guys, we are done. Look at my food. In every scoop you'll have a piece of chicken. Look, a piece of chicken, some bell pepper and some rice. So that's it for today's video. Please keep on subscribing and tell a friend to tell a friend. Bye till we meet again. Enjoy.